Hello everyone! We just got the new Samsung Galaxy S10 today, and this will be released tomorrow. But for now, let's unbox this one and see what we get. Okay, I have finally taken off the plastic wrapping. Let's finally unbox. Beginning with the Galaxy Buds. This came free if you pre-ordered. The normal retailed for 249 Australian dollars, so well worth pre-ordering. I'm gonna open it now. It's really nice hard case, and you use the case to charge the buds. Just place the USB cable in there and connect to the phone charger. Let's have a look at the buds. So this is the buds. It's a very nice light, fits really well in your ear, and labeled so that you don't mix them up. And this is the USB cabled, and there is the spare rubber in here, rubber earbud tips, and wing tips. Now to the S10. Just looking at the specs on the back, quad hits the plus screen, the 3 camera lenses on the back, a 10 megapixel camera full selfies, the in-screen fingerprint scanner, 8 gigabytes of RAM, should speed things up, and the wireless power share. You can charge other phones from this phone. This should be the prism green color, so let's see. It's a very nice feel, as you would expect from Samsung. It is good quality. The color is very nice. There, makes a difference from the usual blacks and or whites I normally get. It's a very nice emerald green. It is light phone and fits nicely in my hand. There, as you can see. It is about the same size as the iPhone XR, but thinner and lighter. On the back, of course, is the cameras and the heart rate monitor. On the top is this one, the SIM card and micro SD card slot. This one is the volume buttons and the Bixby button below. And this one is the power button. It's on the other side, so I'll turn it on now for you to have a quick look at in the screen. Okay, well, that's starting. In the box is also a charger, a USB connector to allow you to load your old phone for data onto your new one. You get earphones as well. You'll know what they look like already, so I'm not gonna take it out from this packaging. So you get another USB cable here, there. Okay, so our phone is starting already. So that's what it's look like, the screen. I'm gonna open this one now. Unlock it. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, and starting. I have already done the basic setup. The screen looks amazing, and of course you notice there is no notch on the top, with only the camera in the side here, positioned on the top right. It's very, very nice phone. I'm liking what I am saying. That's a quick look at the new Samsung Galaxy S10, also available at S10 Plus and S10e. And remember, it's important, don't forget you need a screen protector and a phone case, of course, because you don't want your precious phone breaking. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. Bye!